one of the top companies in the MLM industry, is about to aim bigger and higher this 2014. Over the years, Alliance in Motion Global Incorporated has built a strong presence in the Philippines as it opened 3 branch offices and 104 business center offices nationwide. There's no stopping the company to aim international as it opened offices all over Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. With a mission to drive people to prosperity and more success, the road just got wider for every man with vision. And it gets better 2 years from now. The AIM Global Headquarters will be housed in its very own building. AIM Global is proud to announce the soon-to-rise structure at one of the premier spots in the metro. Step into the future of direct sales as this 22-story building is envisioned to be a fully operational business hub. Environment-friendly, state-of-the-art, convenient, new home for our growing distributors, a bigger venue for our growing business. The promise of the future is high, and it starts from the ground. The countdown to 2016 has begun. Set your goals in motion and aim to be part of the big milestone of Alliance in Motion Global Incorporated.
This is the place, this is our new headquarters where dreams and lives is about to change. I mean, more dreams from here to the rest of the world. This will be our new home.
And this is the day, this is the moment that we've been waiting for, the official groundbreaking ceremony of our 23-story AIM Global building. And congratulations and thank you to each and every one of you.
Hindi lang po pera pinaglalaban natin dito. Hindi pinaglalaban natin ang bawat Pilipino na gusto magbagong buhay na magkaroon ng inspirasyon. Sa ating mga puso, ang laman nito, sana ayusin natin ang pagbabago ng Pilipino manggaling sa mga networkers na katulad natin.
The AIM Global Headquarters, a landmark of multi-level aspirations, a fortress of multi-level success.